Hi, this tutorial will cover the tools available to you in organizing different pieces of content that you will use in creating ePortfolio pages. This is an important step in your design and creation process and will help you efficiently build ePortfolio pages when you have assignments or activities. As you know, when you log into ePortfolio, you are presented with your dashboard. To start organizing your content items, click on the menu icon in the upper right corner of the dashboard and select Files under the Create pull-down list. This will take you to the Files area in ePortfolio. Essentially, you can think of this as your own little storage device in ePortfolio. Like your hard drive on your PC, you can choose to organize this space with folders that are labeled, or you can save everything at the top in the parent folder. When you enter the Files section, you are at the parent folder. You can upload files directly to this area simply by clicking the Choose File button or dragging and dropping the files into the upload area. Anything you upload here will be listed in alphabetical order on this page for you to access, edit, or delete. The problem here is that when you really start using the system, your files might become numerous and it may become a headache to keep them orderly. One solution to this organization problem is to create folders and store your content items in clearly identified areas. I already have a few folders created where I store my images and spreadsheets. Some folders may be pre-created for you, like the Cover Images folder and the Images folder. To create a folder, all you need to do is type in the name of the folder, such as PDF files, and click the Create Folder button. In order to upload files into any folder, you must first select the folder. You will know where you are by checking the location title here above the file list. Here you can see I am in the PDF files folder and there is nothing in it yet. I can add files to this folder simply by using the Choose Files button or drag and drop feature. When I have uploaded a file successfully, I get a message at the top of the page, but I can also see the file here in the file list for the folder. When the file is in the folder, I can add some information for myself about this file to further help me in my organization. To do this, I click on the editing icon that looks like a pencil that is on the right of the file name, and I will get a small editing window. I can't edit the file itself, but I have three options. First, I can add a description of the file using this field here. Next, I can add tags to the file if I have created tags in my profile. This helps people search for specific information and they can locate the pages that contain this file, but it also helps me when I'm looking for specific content items to include in my pages. The last thing I can do is allow comments by those who have viewing access to the file on my content pages that contain it. Once I have made my decisions about these fields, I save the changes and I will see them listed on the file listing. To return to my parent folder, I simply return by clicking on the link at the top of the file list. You can have as many folders as you wish in the Files area. In this area, you have the ability to upload any type of file, such as PDFs, PowerPoints, Word documents, etc. It is a great idea for you to store copies of any of your course assignments here, even if they are not going to be part of an ePortfolio assignment, as you will have ongoing access to them throughout your student experience. However, I will call your attention once again to the quota block on the right side of your page. As was indicated earlier, you have a maximum of 50 megabytes of storage in this area, so you need to skillfully manage the number and size of the files you store here. This is a primary reason that video files are not recommended to be loaded directly to your ePortfolio. You should establish a YouTube account using your private email and only use the links to access videos. You will learn more about how to incorporate these different types of content in the video about creating content pages. This concludes this short video, and I hope it gives you a better understanding of how to organize and manage your content in the ePortfolio system.